Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to emails in Outlook. Adding emojis is a great way to make your emails more expressive and friendly, especially when communicating with colleagues or clients in a casual setting. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and wait for all your emails to load in. This might take a moment depending on your internet connection and how many emails you have, so just give it a bit of time to fully sync everything. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, the next step is to access your email composition tools. To do this, click on the New Email button, which you'll find located on the top left part of your screen. This will open up a fresh email composition window where you can start crafting your message. Now that you're in the email composition screen, look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menu options are displayed. You'll see several tabs there, and you want to click on the one labeled Insert. This tab contains all the features you need for adding various elements to your email, from attachments to symbols. From the Insert tab, look toward the top right part of the menu where you'll find the Symbols option. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select More Symbols. This will open up a dedicated symbols window that gives you access to a wide range of special characters and emojis. In the Symbols window, you'll see a Font drop-down menu near the top. Click on it and scroll through the options until you find Sego UI emoji, then select it. This font specifically contains all the emoji options available in Outlook. Once you've selected it, scroll down through the list and you'll see all the available emojis you can use in your email. Something to keep in mind here is that you'll be seeing a black and white version of these emojis in this window, but don't worry, whenever you insert them into your email message, they'll automatically turn into their colored versions. Click on the emoji you wish to use to select it, and then click on the Insert button to add it directly into your email message. The emoji will appear at your cursor's position in the email body, and you can add as many emojis as you want by repeating this process. And that's it. You've successfully added emojis to your Outlook email, making your messages more engaging and expressive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.